Okay, this is just a quick video on the Porter cable 10-inch compound miter saw. This one is the folding kind. I like to use this when I have small jobs, small jobs. I've only used it like 2 or 3 times, and today I'm only cutting 27-inch pieces of 2x4s for a shelf that we made. What I like about this is it's very small, it's very compact, and it's just an easy tool to use. It's got a laser on it, so that when you are cutting, it's just very easy. It comes with a stand case, so you could fold it up. I personally don't like folding it up because it's kind of like a hassle to fold it up, so I'm just using it as a regular miter saw. So what I've done over here is I've pre-marked all the pieces that I need, 27 inches, and basically just cutting it. Let me see if we can get this. There's a laser line right there, and let's get to cutting. And this is very good for like small projects. I like using it for small baseboards, but what I really use for really bigger jobs and stuff is a rigid sliding saw. Nice cuts. What I like most about this thing is it's so tiny. I usually just use a blower to clean it out and then just put it away. And that is the Porter cable folding miter saw. Alright, so I'm going to do a couple more pieces. 27 inches and 7 inches. This is the stand that it comes with. I don't like to fold it up because it's annoying, but it is a folding miter saw. Where's my laser? So those are the 4 7-inch pieces that I need, and I'm going to need 5 more of the 27. So this thing is great just for cutting 2x4s. You don't have to bust out a big machine, and cleanup is going to be very easy. I'll be doing the cleanup with the DeWalt corded vacuum. I love that thing. Those are all the pieces. I am now done with this thing. So I'm doing a 6 amp hour battery on this particular vacuum. If you stop the vacuum and put the intake on the output, you could kind of use it as a blower. There you go. And just kind of clean up the tool for storage. It's got a little nice cable holder right here. And yeah, so basically to fold it, you just slide it down that way. There's a little lever over here that you can loosen up, and then it'll tilt it to the side, and then it just goes onto the case like this. But I don't like to keep it folded. I like to keep it on the shelf just the way that it is, on its regular, the way that it sits. So I'll put it back the way that it sits, and then just have it as 0 and 0, and that's how I like to have it. It just makes me feel better. I feel like it's gonna break if it's folded up, but that is the Porter cable. It's got a nice little handle over here too, so you could just pick it up, put it away, right? I almost threw this piece away, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't. And then I could just clean the rest up with the vacuum. That's pretty much it. I'll add the links for Amazon for both tools. Yeah, like I said, Porter cable, the saw, I like to leave it like this. I don't know, it just makes me feel better when it's just set up like that, ready for use.